Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I wanted to sit down and talk to you a little bit about the Room algorithm and why we have developed that and put that inside the new Revelation. So again, people have been asking for shorter reverbs, something a little less ambient per se. And so the Room is another one, in addition to the Spring, is more of a shorter reverb. So the decay knob actually does not get near as long as it would in the Plate or any of the other ambient algorithms. However, it does a really nice job at just setting a really nice background reverb that you could leave as an always-on reverb. So the Control 1 in this case adjusts the room size, so all the way down gives you a smaller room, and as you turn the Control 1 knob up, you get a kind of a bigger, larger room sound, and the reverbs actually become more dense and more explosive. And so as the room increases, you may want to adjust the mix knob down a little bit, but you'll go ahead and feel free to play around with what works best for you. So let's dig in and hear a little bit of the sound samples we've provided for you.